All right, my boys, what is good? My boys, we got the shift boot looking nice. The wheel honestly is beautiful. Honestly, probably like one of the best upgrades I did. It looks more official, you know? But yeah, my boys, we just got a little POV drive with it to show y'all. No airbag, I guess, so if I crash, I'm dead. Little sexy pull for y'all. Tiny one, up to speed. No illegal shit, you know, because you can't do that here. Doesn't seem bad. Like, I think this is the wheel straight, so it's a tiny bit off, but it's not like annoyingly off. Maybe when I get on the Autobahn, it'll be a little bit different. But right now, it doesn't seem too bad. It looks beautiful. Yeah, just the airbag light we gotta fix. So that's kind of a bummer. I don't know what the problem is, but hopefully we get it fixed. But yeah, my boys, I mean, it looks beautiful though. I'm not even gonna lie. The buttons work. The buttons work. So it's just the airbag that we gotta fix. Get a little pull. A tiny pull, not anything fast. Jeez. Sheesh. Thing sounds beautiful, man. I miss this thing so much, man. It's kind of insane how much I missed it. The car's kind of a mess. I gotta clean it out. I still gotta throw away the oil. Sheesh. Little farty boy. Sheesh, man. Had to do a little pull, man. Had to warm up the car, man. We'll do one more pull in the Autobahn, though. Tiny pull. Yeah, this is the wheel straight. Hold on. So it doesn't really bother you unless you really think about it, but it is kind of off a little bit. But there's no way of aligning it perfectly. Like, it wasn't allowing me to align it. Like the little, it's like a transmission with the engine. It has to line up, and the little spikes wasn't aligning to straight. So it's either be off this way or be off the other way. So it was either left or right. You know, it wasn't flat on. So unfortunately, little sacrifice, but it's not bad for reals. I still fuck with the wheel. The wheel is honestly beautiful. The shift boot, it just makes the car look cleaner, because my old shift boot was just really, really dirty. So having this honestly makes it look so much better. And honestly, I think the shift knob is on bright too. I didn't have to glue it again, because I had to glue it before, because I don't know. I spent $30 on it, but it's still pretty cheap, I guess. So yeah, but it's not bad for reals. Just gotta clean out the car now. Just trying to get everything done so fast, so I'm just kind of busy, but I'm gonna try to clean out the car. I want the oil to spill, man. I had oil spill in the back of my car one time, man. Wasn't fun. But yeah, we still got a lot more to do to the Z. This is just a start. We're waiting on the radio, so the radio should fix this ugliness. I don't regret doing the stickers, but I honestly feel like maybe better stickers would be better. Hold on, this van's pressing me right now. I think honestly, like, just getting rid of this, because it's just like it's scratching and stuff. I mean, there's a way to like get all the scratches off, but I feel like just replacing the whole thing is just better, honestly. So it shouldn't be bad. But yeah, we still got a lot more to do. Maybe some carbon fiber parts inside. I might carbon fiber this just to make the shift knob match with this. That will look honestly cool. I gotta fix the door. But imagine it opens. The one time it opens is when I'm driving. But I gotta fix the door. I'm debating on just like fucking making like a drift door, like the drift door you can buy, but I still want my speakers, so that's gonna be kind of a sacrifice to really think about. So I'll see. Or I could just cut in the drift door and just keep those speakers. But yeah, so I still got a bunch to do. I also want to have a mic'd up POV also next. Just have a mic by the blow off valve so y'all can hear it as I'm driving. I feel like that'd be pretty cool. I just got to get everything set up for it. I might either use these mics, which are like the original mics. These are probably, I think each mic to replace them is like $90, but they have a plug where you can plug in right here and get like an external mic, which is like a wired mic. And I might just get one of those. And that, I mean, the wired mic is honestly $40. I honestly don't think it's worth $40, but I mean, it's cheaper than these, so I might just get a wired mic and just mic it up inside and just have the wire going in, just to make it a little bit more safe. Like if it does like break or something, I don't really care because it's only $40 compared to one of these. So that's what I might do, I don't know. But so far I've been using this mic, no complaints. I edited one video with it already, and I have like a bunch of others with this mic, so we're gonna see what's up. Also, y'all might not see, the videos might not align perfectly, but we have the Nürburgring tomorrow we're going to. I'm probably not gonna drive though, but we're gonna just take one car. We're gonna carpool because the parking itself is like $20, so you might as well just save money that way. But we're going to the Nürburgring tomorrow. There's gonna be a race and I think a drift event, so we're gonna try to get some clips of that. Now, I mean, have a whole Nürburgring video. Haven't been in the Nürburgring in like 6 months, so I'm kind of happy to go. Yeah, boys, might be tracking it soon. I want to get an oil cooler, so I think next oil change we're just gonna get a new oil cooler. We still have 2,000 miles left, but next oil change we'll do an oil cooler probably. Just because you gotta change the oil anyway, so I might as well just wait until the next oil change. I'm not really like racing it or anything right now, so I don't think I necessarily need an oil cooler. I might honestly start taking it on road trips. I think we're gonna make it road trip worthy. Also, we're just gonna make it a street car slash, like, it's my daily, so maybe make it road trip worthy so I can start taking it more places. And yeah, but I think I need, so I do need new brakes too, so get some new brakes for it. New brakes, oil cooler, maybe a new trans cooler. I think trans coolers are mainly for like if you're really switching through gears. Like if I'm staying in 6th gear, I don't think it's a problem. But maybe a trans cooler to a new one, because it already has one, but it's like kind of, it's small as fuck. So just get a bigger one. And yeah, and it should be road trip worthy. I'm not even gonna lie. The 15th, we're fixing the exhaust leak. I know I said I fixed it before, but there's a new one. All right, but it should fix the rough idle I have. So that's pretty dope. I can't wait for that. Just the appointments are so far down. But honestly, they said they quoted me like $1,000, bro. So I'm like, god damn. And honestly, I don't feel like opening this car myself no more. I've been through a lot with this car. I'm not trying to. So something like that, like they're already gonna weld it, so I might as well just let them do it and let them fix everything that needed to be done with the exhaust system, so that we have no more problems. And yeah, man. Let's see. Can't wait to fix it though. Can't wait to fix it. I think the rough idle should make it road trip worthy too. So rough idle and the oil cooler mainly. But yeah, my boys, we're probably gonna get a little POV later on too. Maybe a night POV too, in case y'all wanted to see that. Yeah, boys. That don't mind that rev match I just did, bro. That shit was ass. I'm not gonna lie. She's so sexy. All right, guys, I'll see y'all. So we have a problem. So I just installed the wheel yesterday. Plugged everything in, but now I have an airbag light. That's on God, nigga.
I gotta pee so bad.